Hola, Señora Vaz here with your instructions for today. Today, for your actividad inicial, in the first 5 minutes of the class, you're going to complete this activity. It's an activity on Spanish.com. You're familiar with it. You use the vocabulary that is here to complete these sentences. Once you finish, here's the score. You take a screenshot of the score with some of the activities, or the whole if you can, and you submit it in the space provided that is right here. So you start assignment, and then you put the link there. All right. For you, actividad 1A-6. That's a practice on negative answers. So let's check that practice. So you have your form 1A-6. And this one it says, Cristina is feeling very negative. Using the pictures to help you, and here's a picture. Write Lola's questions and Christina's negative responses. Don't forget correct punctuation and spelling. Use the model to help you. This is the example, the model. And you see how the question has an opening question mark and a closing question mark. That means that's what you need to do. You need a capital T. And then for the answers are going to be all negative. So as we saw in class, for the negative answer, you start answering the question with the first no, and then you make the statement. So you're going to start with the capital N, and then after no, you put the comma, and don't forget the period at the end of the sentence. So it says, following the model and based on the image provided, type Lola's questions and Christina's answers. So you have to put Lola and then the question. Te gusta, and then whatever you see in the picture. So in this case is te gusta ver la tele, and then you close the question. Space, and then Cristina is going to answer. And Cristina says, no, coma, no me gusta nada ver la tele, period. Okay, so you are going to put the question and the answer there. Question, and don't forget to put who is saying what. Just like in the example. So you are going to do 5 of this, and then you submit. So that is your actividad 1A-6. Then you have your quiz for today. So the quiz is right here, is the Prueba 1A-1. Página 1. And then you're going to have the página 2. So to answer this, as usual, you're going to write your last name, first name, you're going to select your class. And then for the first part, I gave you a word bank. So you had your word bank with the words that you need. It says write the name of the action from the word bank below. You're going to write it below. That corresponds to this picture. So you're going to write the name of whatever you see here. You take it from here and you type it here. So you do that for all of them. And then you can move to the second part. So it's taking me a little while because it's 10 questions. Okay. Once you have this, you move to the second part. Okay. In the second part, you see a picture, and you're going to choose the option that corresponds to the activity that is shown in the image. You have 2 statements. You pick the one that contains the activity that is shown in the picture. Please do not check if they look happy or unhappy doing it. Doesn't matter. Just whatever is on the picture, you select the answer. And that's it. So once you finish that, you are done. That's your quiz for today. I put here how to do the special characters. If you do not have the Spanish keyboard, you need to ask me so I can help you to install the Spanish keyboard and show you how to use it. So you can type your words on the quiz. That's all that you have for today. I hope you do good. Remember, we're getting close to the end of the term, so please, please, please complete the activities that you're missing and submit them in the late work Google form. Nos vemos. Adiós.